Connectio mpaka wakashi.
Thirikari nene riu niretha ngwataniro numu na thirikari cia kauntĩ muoroto wao ari gwikirira wenji-ini wa mahiga ma goro ari kihumo kia magoti kuri thirikari cieri na matura maria moikaine na wenji uyu. Minista wa wenji wa mahiga ma goro Ali Hassan Joho akiaria kaunti-ini ya Thirikari mucemanio-ini wa thirikari ya kaunti na kamiti ya wenji wa mahiga augite ruhonge ruru rwina namba ya kuigana ngurani bururi-ini kuria kwina mahiga maya ma goro dhahabu ariyo itongoretie na egukoro ikienjo miena itiganite ta Thirikari na West Pokot.
We are here is to engage you. Mutupatie ruhusa, we explore it further. And then we now invite proper investment.
As the people who are exploiting minerals become rich, we would like our people to be richer by changing their lives. When the people who are around where the mines are get richer, equally, we would like that county government of Thirikari, which is represented by the devolved unit of government, also to get their share and also have resources that can make their people richer.
I want to tell you something, the people of Thirikari, that the minister just gave us directives while we were still airborne on what is happening in terms of mining, especially the quarries, that these quarries will be converted into fish bones. So the Natural Resources Committee of the Assembly of Thirikari should be thinking of how then we develop this policy so that we're able to say, if you are doing mining, especially on quarries, this is the way to go. And that way you also infuse or you bring in
Aikari a Kisimani na Ziwa la Ng'ombe